Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey. So in today's video, I've got requested quite a few times to do like a mermaid kind of inspired look with this hair colour. So I thought that would be quite a cool idea. And yeah, by the way, my hair's kind of getting a bit puffy now because I need a haircut, but obviously quarantine and all the hairdressers are closed, so there goes that. So yeah, I'm probably just going to colour it myself to be fair. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Yes. As you guys probably guessed, I've already done my foundation and my eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to jump into my BH Ultimate Matte 42 Colour Shadow Palette, yes. And I'm just going to go in with this dark blue here. Oh, yes. And I'm basically just going to do like a winged out eyeshadow, which I've done a few times on my channel so far, so a few of you guys might know what I'm on about. So yeah, I'm literally just going to go and do that now. Right, so I've done that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and put a little bit of foundation on the eyelids. Right, so I've got my Revolution Concealed Fine Foundation. I need to use this all up really, because I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's a little bit too light for my skin tone. So yeah, but you know, it works for YouTube videos, yes. Right, so just going to go and put a little bit of it on a brush. And put it on my eyelid like so. As you guys can see, I went a little bit over there, but that's okay. I'd rather go a little bit over than a little bit under, because I'm going to just put some blue eyeshadow over it and cover it up. So yeah, sorted. So I'm just going to wait for it to dry for a few seconds. The sun's starting to creep over. I just went over the edge a little bit with a clean brush, just to make it look more blended, yes. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and put even more foundation on my eyelids. Yes, guys, why not? We're going all out today. Yes, we are. So I'm literally just going to go and put a little bit more. Oh shit. Oops, drops a little bit. Oops, I'm so messy. Come help me, Daddy. So yeah, I'm just going to go and put a little bit more. I'm going to do like a halo with a shimmer. So yeah. Shimmer my dimmer, guys. We would know the drill. Okay, so I'm so fucked off for myself. I forgot to put the mic in the whole time, so my whole entire audio is gonna be messy, and I forgot to film me putting the shimmer on my eye. I'm still gonna go, guys. I don't care. It's me just being a dumber. So anyway, I'll put the shimmer on. I used my 28 Foil Eyes shadow palette. I went in with this green shimmer up here. And what I did, which I put right in the middle, and I put some more foundation on my eye, just to make it pop more. And I went in with the darker green colour around the edges of the lighter green shimmer, to kind of like make it blend more in with the rest of the eyeshadow. And then I quickly went in back over with the dark green that I use for the matte of the eyelids. And just to make it, yeah, kind of like blend all together a bit more. So, that's where we're up to. What a mess. So yeah, I'm going to go over this eyeliner a little bit. You can see a chunk of it's gone a little bit. Anyway, so yeah, that's so you guys all caught up. So luckily you guys didn't miss out too much. But the first part of the video is going to have really bad audio. So whatever. You know my channel's messy. Here we are. I'm now going to go in with a contour and a highlight. I'm going to go back in with the Ultimate Matte palette. And I'm going to go in with this dark brown up here. And yeah, so I'm just going to go and put that on my face. I've just done the contour, it's looking cute. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go in with the highlighter, which, as you guys all know, I'm going to go in with the Unicorn Hearts highlighter, little palette ting I have. So yeah, I'm going to use the blue highlight, of course, to go with the rest of the look. So yeah, I'm going to go and do that, guys. Oh, right, so just on the highlighter. Actually, I need to do under my eyebrows. Damn, how did I forget that? Oh, what's going on? There we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little something in the corner of the eye. I haven't decided yet, so I'll come back with a surprise. Right, so what I'm going to go in with, guys, is new to collection lip gloss Skinny Dip from Revolution. Oh yes, I'm gonna go and try a nude for you guys. I've worn this once before. It wasn't a very good look. Like, it was good, but it wasn't amazing. It's kind of like a similar colour scheme, but obviously I feel like this one's better because my makeup skills have improved and I've got the hair to match it. So yes. Fierce. So, and then of course I'm naturally going to go in with the Jeffree Star lipstick. The Clout again, because if you look at them, they're very similar shades and I think they're going to complement each other very well. At least they did in my hand earlier, so I'm assuming they will again. My lips. So I'll stop talking and let's get on with it. So I'm going to go and put this on. Oh, lashes. Put the lipstick on. Now I'm going to put the, well, I was going to say gloss, but it's not. I'm going to put the Clout on, so I literally use this as a lip gloss. So yeah, I was going to go and put this over it. Yeah, so I think it's turned out really cute. Oh my god, gorgeous. So this is definitely, I think, one of my favourite looks. I do love it with the hair. And thank you guys for the recommendation, because a few of you guys recommended me to do mermaid look. So I was like, yes, I'm going to be on that. So yeah, here it is. We love, we stan. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if you guys love the look as much as I do. And any more recommendations for any more cool videos you guys can think of, you know, please let me know. I do have a little list going, but I'm always happy to add. So yeah guys, like and subscribe for more, hit the bell notification to be notified when I put my screen of a new video. Oh yes. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.